Was the number 5 scorer of the league at 17 points per match, and Nicole De Ayala number 9 at 14.2 points per match. Lady Bombers, Lady Stags to open our second group play in the classification round of your NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Competition. And right away, it is JRU getting a score of the block.
Serena Ramos. First point para sa kupunan ng JRU.
First point of the match scored by JRU.
At itong si Ramos, you know, she has become so lethal here. Nabigyan ng kumpiyansa nito ni Coach Mia. And she has been spectacular so far. But this is a rare sighting for San Sebastian. Unang offensive play nila, sa gitna pumunta.
Princess Ramos with the point. And I think ito yung kumbaga parang strength ng San Sebastian kasi usually talagang tinitid nila yung middle blockers nila.
And that's good for Basta. You know, they're gonna get variations right away. Juname Gonzalez, specialty cross court para kay Gonzalez.
Sa kumunan ng JRU, meron naman Juname Gonzalez sa kumunan ng San Sebastian. And I think ito yung magandang match talaga nakaabang-abang. Kasi syempre itong JRU natalo nung unang nagkaharap sila. And I'm sure paghahandaan ito ng JRU. At guys, sabi ni Paka kanina, nagkakitaan ng laro.
Tama. Yan yung, kumbaga, parang second round natin sa group play as that is overcooked by Di Matawaran. Kasi kapag pangalawang beses, meron ka ng blueprint di ba? Napakarami ng laro, babalikan mo yung isang team.
Totoo.
Medyo meron ka ng video o may scouting ka na mas pulido.
Totoo. And ang gaya ng paulit-ulit yung sinasabi, ang kailangan lang talaga ng mga teams medyo ma-eliminate is yung kanilang unforced errors.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Unforced errors. San Sebastian has done a great job in that in the last 2 games. Pero ito si Navarra with a setup right there to Yonko. So JRU with a dinaan sa lakas ni Gonzalez yun. Mga unang taon niya, last year in particular, ano lang siya slot in, off the bench, di ba?
Yeah.
Pang halili ko pinagsastruggle sa loob. Pero ngayon, siya na yung nagiging main scorer.
One of the top scorers para sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. And ang ganda ng variations ng attack niya. Ang daming pwede niyang gawin. And medyo, yung the way kasi siyang umatake, medyo mahirap blockin at tapatan sa defense. So, talagang iba yung improvement.
Pero one player who is very capable of carrying the scoring load for San Sebastian minus Can Santos, Sigan.
Yes.
Tried and tested na sa NC.
Mga veterano na rin, no, sa NCAA.
Navarra. De Ayala!
Wow!
That's good. The fourth Nicole.
Alam mo kung ano yung natutuwa ko kay De Ayala? Nakaka-impress yung jumping ability niya. Hindi siya kasing tangkad ng ibang players, but yung talon niya, parang nile-level niya yung talon niya dun sa height ng mga ka-teammates at mga nakakalaban nila.
Minsan pang angat pa siya dun sa blockers ng kabila.
And wala siyang doubt kapag umaatake.
Buong buo yung loob, ano? Manasigan right here. Ramos was behind, but great presence of mind for KJ Junicio. Anticipating that Navarra attempt.
Great timing. Ganda ng basa. And syempre, pag middle blocker ka, kailangan matalas ang isip mo. Lalo na sa block dahil yan yung yan yung pinaka-role ng mga middle blockers.
That's right. Lazarte keeping it alive. Here's Manasigan breaking through the block. Pero sa iba kinuha to ni Dina, right down the middle this time.
And this is actually their first combination play.
Klein Abraham, former San Beda Lady Red Spiker. Ball is kept alive. Gonzalez sends it across. Navarra. Nauna si De Ayala doon. Here's Marasigan. Off the hands. Deyala again. Better attempt,
Yep.
but it is
That's too
low.
low for Deyala.
So 8-4 para sa San Sebastian. A fast start for them. On the other side, we'll hear a report from Bianca Tagarda.
Mga kapuso, nakatutok pa rin po kayo sa NCAA Season 1-1 Women's Volleyball Tournament dito sa San Andres Sports Complex. Coming off a 5-set win against LPU, mataas ang kumpiyansa ng squad ni Coach Mia Tioseco na makabawi today over Baste, who gave them their first loss of this season. Aniya, masaya ako na nanalo kami from that game and kumapit sila from that last game. Pero mas kailangan pa nilang magtiwala sa sarili nila dahil puro rookies din sila. Apart from that, Coach Mia also disclosed to me that Rachel Lalong-Isip is still under recovery after a partial ACL tear na nakuha niya from their first set versus Arellano, which was 2 games ago. Kaya naman she will have to miss 2 to 4 weeks for the rest of this season. Sa kabilang banda, nakausap ko rin si Coach Roger Gorayev na inilahad sa akin that their top scorer, Kat Santos, is feeling under the weather today. 2 days na raw siyang nilalagnat. Kaya sabi ni Coach Roger, bawal ang pangit na laro ngayong araw. Martin and John Vic.
Thank you so much, Bianca. That's bad news if you're a San Sebastian fan. Again, Kat Santos under the weather. So papagpahingahin muna siya ni Coach Roger Gorayev. But on the other side, for JRU, si Lalong-Isip, yung na-injure sa kanila. Couple of games ago, we saw that video, of course, online na ACL. But, you know, it's good that she still has the potential to return this year, you know, despite a major injury.
And one of the yung mga kinakatakutan itong mga players natin is yung injury dahil una-una yung recovery. And I think yung injury na yun ay it takes time to heal.
That's right.
Talaga. Kasi hindi lang naman yung injury yung hinihil mo. It's yung mentality mo,
That's right.
na yung fear mo na baka maulit or bumalik yung injury.
Yun ang ginagamot mo sa physical therapy and rehab, you know, para full commitment ka ulit gumalaw as we see the skill block coming from San Sebastian at
John Nisho.
Yeah. So 9-7, medyo nakabawi ang San Sebastian pagkatapos ng ilang puntos ng JRU after the technical timeout. Deyala with the adjustment. Here's Gonzalez. Sharp cross court is kept alive. Gonzalez again. Nicely done right there. But a track down once again by Karabot. Ooh, back row hit is straight to the net.
Grabe. Medyo mahaba-habang rally on Martin and nagulat ako kay Rabot. Bigla siyang sumulpot doon sa baba.
Munti ka na nga magtumawid, ano?
Yeah.
Buti napigilan niya yung sarili niya. But that's a point for JRU, and after a slow start, you know, they've found themselves back in the opening set. Gonzalez, Navarra, they go to Ramos right here, who breaks through the block.
Imagine, technical timeout, 8-4 in score, but right now, we're tied. And I think ito yung yung sinasabi ni Coach na may something about JRU na ipapakita today.
Yeah.
Ang pagbawi nila against San Sebastian. And we'll see kung anong magiging adjustment itong San Sebastian.
Ito, Gonzalez, her version of a through the block spike. And si Juna, ngayon doble ang makukuhang attempt.
Yes.
Of course, they're minus Kat Santos today. And she has been delivering. Oh, that's a nice serve by KJ. Pero pabalik ang JRU kay Ramos. Easy pop-up for KJ. Eto na si Gonzalez. Karabot.
Wow.
Got to it, but unable to pick it up properly.
Back-to-back points para kay Gonzalez. And nakakatuwa tong si Balahadia dahil nagkakaroon siya ng kumbaga kumpiyansa and tiwala dito kay Gonzales na, alam mo yun, ibigay lang muna dahil mainit. Mainit siya sa attack.
Diba? Tsaka nakaposisyon itong si Juna. Ito ulit siya. She is at the open side. Uy. Chance ball. Juna. Ramos.
Sofia Ramos.
Putting it down from the middle.
Ganda nung basa niya doon. Ini-expect kasi ng mga blockers itong JRU na ibibigay ulit kay Gonzales. But this time,
12 serving 9.
binigyan ng opportunity itong kanilang middle blocker na umatake.
Kahit ako, kala ko kay Juna ibabalik eh. Uy. This is still alive. Good coverage at the net by Balahadia. Here's a chance for the Lady Bombers.
Wow.
Timatawaran.
Julia
Catches the line.
Converts the
Ganda ng timing niya doon.
Even the pacing of that hit. Navarra. Nice serve. Gonzales. Deyala ang nag-set up kay Ramos. Spiker to spiker. Why not?
down the corner line. Nina Ramos.
Cross court para kay Ramos. And again, she has been one of our most explosive scorers in the competition.
Totoo.
Diba? Hindi biro yung 17 points per match.
Iba yung improvement niya, no? From the last season to present.
At saka yung endurance niya this year. You know, from start to finish,
Wow.
you're getting the same production.
What a play!
Medyo nanlin lang doon itong JRU.
Nakakatawa kasi double quick play.
Yeah.
Alam mo, medyo matagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakita yung play na yon. Itong si Yonko and si Di Matawaran. Sabay silang tumalon sa quick. And hindi alam ng mga blockers itong San Sebastian kung sino yung sasabayan nila.
Oh,
Wow!
kill block para sa Lady Bombers. So they take over the lead. 13-12. And they've covered Juna May Gonzales. I think that's probably the first successful block of JRU against Juna.
Wow!
4-0 run. Make that 5-0 for JRU.
Ramos.
Alam mo, grabe itong si... Wala akong masabi sa kanya.
Yeah.
Ibang klase siyang tumingin sa bola ito si Zarina Ramos. Imagine, hindi naman siya sobrang taas tumalon. Pero grabe yung alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola.
Vastly improved this year itong si Nina Ramos. Gonzales is denied again. She is now being shut down by JRU's blockers.
Great timing for Di Matawaran and Yonko. And this is actually the second time na block nila and kill block para sa kupunan ng JRU. Good serve.
That's a good serve. Ramos getting that one through. That was a power tip coming from Sofia Ramos to stop the bleeding for San Sebastian.
A much needed point for San Sebastian. Para ikat yung momentum nito JRU. Imagine 4-0 run.
Oo. Tsaka itong JRU nagtuloy-tuloy. Combination. Lazalte. Ball is still in play. And the high ball on the chance ball. Eto, ang off-speed ni Ramos. I don't think that was the intention for JRU. Ramos again. Bounce back. They go to the middle. And again, Di Matawaran finds his spot. So JRU surges ahead. 16-13 as we go to the technical timeout. Welcome back to the coverage. Again, if you guys just tuned in, Kat Santos won't be playing today. She's suited up, but she won't be taking the floor for San Sebastian. And again, that's minus 13 points right away. Yan ang iiwan dito ni Kat Santos, and it's gonna be up to the other players to step up.
Alam mo, nafe-feel ko si Kat Santos na while she's watching, alam mo yung feeling na gusto ko maglaro eh. Tumataas yung adrenaline ko. Habang nakikita ko yung team ko na, alam mo yun, hindi makabawi dun sa ginagawa nitong JRU. And I'm sure yan yung mga feeling ng lahat ng mga players na talagang gustong manalo every game.
And you know that feeling because you were a scorer, you got injured before. Si Kat siguro, ganito mga moments, siya na yung pinupuntahan. Ito ni Balahad.
Yeah, for sure.
So she might be a little helpless on the sidelines as we see Julia Gonzalez get a point back for San Sebastian after the technical timeout.
Another enforced error para sa kupunan ng JRU.
Navarra.
And hindi pa ako masyado nakakita ng maraming errors.
Siguro
mga 2 to 3 lang errors pa for both teams. Yeah,
that's true. So far, very disciplined, very composed yung dalawang teams. Cross court, not gonna work. On the D-ball. Oh, Ryan Abraham converts. So this is another player that we expected to be one of the main gunners of San Sebastian, but it's been a slow year for her. Remember, she transferred from San Beda, went to San Sebastian in the off-season.
Lead pa rin tayo, okay? Make sure lang, tsatsagain natin niya. Tapos, girls, blocking tayo. Blocking, tas silip dun sa ano. Okay? Reset tayo, reset. Isang magandang receive, tapos play tayo. Okay, tara.
Good timeout for coach, and I think ito yung yung sense of urgency right now dahil papalapit na tayo doon sa end part itong first set. And kung ako si coach, hindi rin ako papayag na makat yung momentum na ginawa namin para makalamang against San Sebastian.
A few minor tweaks para dito sa JRU nang galing kay Coach Mia. Kasi kanina, matibay na yung blocking. Pero nawawala ulit.
Which is yung way nila nung nakalamang sila.
That's right.
Yung blockings nila.
Abraham couldn't do it. Chance ball ulit para sa Baste. Yellow shirts on the attack. Oh, Ramos had to adjust. And that's a point for JRU.
Just like that, na-convert agad yung instruction ni Coach Mia.
Yeah.
And 2 points na naman ang kalamangan nitong JRU.
Nina Ramos serving for the Lady Bombers.
Close set.
Close set.
As expected between these two teams.
Wow.
Abraham. But somebody touched the net.
Another enforced error para sa mga ng JRU. But kahit hindi siguro na-touch net, puntos pa rin. Ang lakas ng palo niya, no? Napaka-explosive ng approach.
Tsaka kaliweting nasa opposite, ano?
So, yan ang isa sa mga strength ng lefty.
Yeah. Speaking of lefties, diba? Teala off the block that time. So 18 to 16 for JRU so far. Nakakabawi sila dun sa mga errors nila. Yonko. Here comes Marasigan.
Tina Marasigan.
Actually, sakto yung andun yung positioning ng Blackers ni Batara. Kaso yung timing lang, mas maaga silang tumalon. So, ang tendency talaga noon, pababa ka na. Yung bola sasabay din sa'yo pababa.
Doon lang inabot.
Yeah, overreaching.
Now it's San Sebastian committing the unforced error. So Dungka will go out.
And substitution.
New players coming in here from JRU side. This is
number 7, Yuri
Swammer. Yeah. Checking in to serve. 19 to 17, JRU. Looking good.
Wow, good serve.
Marasigan. Saved by Ramos, but they won't be able to send it across. So, ilalapit doon ng San Sebastian.
Kung makikita mo itong San Sebastian, hindi sila basta-basta bumibitaw dito sa first set. Considering nung first 8 points, lamang na lamang sila ng 4 points.
Yeah.
And now, medyo nabaliktad yung scoring natin.
Ito si Nicole. Wow. Cross-court bomb coming from Nicole De Ala. That was a sharp hit coming from Nicole.
Alam mo yung apelido niya, Deala. It reminds me of someone who is currently top 31
Sino?
sa ranking. Siyempre, ang ating pride, Alex Ayala.
Ah, oo nga.
Diba?
Akala ko yung radio DJ.
DJ,
Kasi Nicole din eh. di ba?
yeah.
19 serving 20.
Pero yun yung mga bagay na nakaka-proud bilang Filipino, di ba?
Oo, yeah.
Meron tayong players na nag-excel sa mga sports na nilalaroan and representing the Philippines. Iba yung pride.
Oh yeah, that's right. Alex is 16 spots up in the WTA rankings as we see. That error on Dimatawaran. So, tabla na tayo. John Vic, 20 all.
Yep, ito na. The most exciting part nitong ng match na ng game natin
Yeah.
is yung end part ng every set.
Pero Oh! I was about to mention, sabi ko, bumubuwis itong si Navarra, pero si Juna Gonzalez was able to connect right here.
And alam niya, kung baga nakaplano, yung isip niya kung saan niya papaluin yung bola, saan niya dadalhin. Which is doon sa down the line.
Late run for Baste. 3 straight points. Ramos sends it away. Oh!
Oh,
Tina is okay.
she's fine.
Yeah. So hindi bibitiw dito ang JRU.
ayaw. Zarina Ramos with a powerful hit. Ayaw ibigay ng JR.
Yeah. And this is the tempo we were hoping for dito sa ating unang laban.
Service
Ayan,
out.
oh. Yun ang masakit dyan, Vic,
Yeah.
because you're able to minimize your errors up until that point. You know, lalo pagdating sa service,
Yep.
okay sila eh.
And again, kung babalikan natin yung game ng San Sebastian against LPU, ay Arellano University,
Yeah.
grabe yung unforced error, 41 unforced error. Yun ang kailangan nating iwasan every game.
And
Normal.
San Sebastian,
Normal yung atake, pinalo,
Yeah.
na-block, normal yun, pero yung mag-error ka sa end part ng set, medyo masakit.
Hangin. Okay, first ball, tas palo tayo. Ay, ayos tayo. Wala kang blocker, itiin mo. Ikaw, huwag ka matakot. Pag alanganin ka, itulak mo alaki-laki ng court. Ba't ipapalo mo sa labas? Ayos tayo, first ball tayo. Establish natin yung block. Establish yung block.
Bihira nating marinig yung frustration sa boses ni Coach Mia, but you know, they have to play with more sense of urgency on the court kasi sayang.
Oo.
Diba? Yung pinundar nila kanina. Yung hinabol nila at nailamang. San Sebastian capitalizing.
Nakakatawa dahil kanina 8-4 ang score nung first part. And right now, lamang na naman ang San Sebastian.
Yeah.
And yung simpleng reminder lang naman ni Coach is, di ba mag-focus ka lang? Balik mo lang uli kung ano yung mga pinag-aaralan mo.
And that's exactly the response she wanted. Ramos down the line. So 22, serving 23. Kring Batara nagbabalik sa ating laban for a more formidable front line para sa JRU dahil nasa likod si Dimatawaran. Abraham, popped up by Deala. Yonko, ando naman si Balahadia. Juna May, off the block. Set point para sa Baste.
1 more point para sa San Sebastian. Another point naman para dito kay Gonzalez. Alam mo, unstoppable siya dito sa first set natin.
May Juna May.
minsan nabablock siya, siguro 2 beses, pero hindi bumababa yung moral niya.
Yeah. At nakikipagsabayan itong si Nina Ramos.
Yeah.
23-24, we're not yet done in the first set.
Ito yung mga set, Martin, umabot ng 30 points.
Bakit hindi?
Diba?
Papaunlakan natin yan. Para tayo magsi-6 sets, ganun ba yan?
Oo.
Wow! A service ace!
Told you.
By Zarina Ramos to give us an extension in the first set.
Timeout, San Sebastian.
Timeout for Coach Roger.
Hindi naman tayo lamang ng 8 cases eh. Iisa lang yun. I-receive lang naman. Mag-isa ka lang naman dyan. Itataas mo lang. 3 yung papalo. Na JM, ayusin mo yung set mo. Ba't kayo? Nagmamadali kayo sa pag-service. Nagmamadali ka sa pag-set. Di pa nga pumapasok yung quicker. Nakaset ka na sa open. Ito naman, ang bagal pumasok. Ano mangyayari dyan?
Alam mo, every time na nagbibigay na instruction tong si Coach Roger, alam mo yung medyo witty, no? Tama, pero makes sense kasi yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman 8 points yung lamang natin eh. Para mag-relax kayo eh, di ba? Yung timing nyo, yung receive nyo, yung set nyo, bakit nyo minamadali? Diba? Back to basic. Lamang tayo eh, dapat sila ay nape-pressure. Yun yung ibig sabihin ni Coach Roger.
Nina
Precisely.
Ramos serving for the Lady
Okay, ito.
Bombers.
Win by 2 sa first set. Abraham gets that one to go in.
Through the block.
A much needed point para sa San Sebastian. Abraham. What a great timing. At dun niya pa kay Batara pinapunta yung palo niya.
Doon pa sa mas matangkad.
Oo.
25-24. Second set point situation for Bastet. Well, this is actually the third one for them. Pero JRU, sasabayan sila. Deyala.
Yeah. Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung ako lang pero every time makakapuntos tong si Deyala, parang ramdam ko yung bawat palo niya.
Solid, ano?
Oo. Parang hindi siya nagdadalawang isip and talagang yung mental toughness niya nandun.
Underhand pass. Kept alive. Kring. Lazarte. Marasigan. Ooh, what a dig by Nicole. Yonko. Not gonna work that time. Ito na si Marasigan.
Wow.
Tina Marasigan spots the hole.
What a rally for both teams.
And San Sebastian is back in front, 26-25. And another chance here to take the opening set. Here's Abraham. Okay, go to Kring. Nakabangan si Batara. Deyala had to adjust. Easy up. Back to Tina. Was it outside? Was there a check? They're ruling it with a check, but it's gonna be reviewed.
Yeah. Ball in, ball out ang tawag ng JRU side.
Challenge to the call by JRU. The
Pero medyo mahirap eh kasi ako hindi ko sure kung outside or inside pero
Okay, correction. Hindi pala check ang tinawag. Inside ang tinawag ng ating referee. So yan po ang checkin natin dito. Tignan natin Our first challenge today. Dito pa sa extension ng opening set. 26-25. San Sebastian going in a war with JRU.
wow, outside Martin.
Wow!
Para pagbibigyan itong dalawang upunan ng wish natin.
Yung ano to?
There's a counter challenge
40?
called by San Sebastian.
Go lang.
The challenge
Siyempre
is
kung
block touch.
sino ba hindi magiging masaya kung successful yung first challenge mo, di ba?
That's true. Why not? Nakakaano tayo Hold on. What's going on?
So may counter challenge itong si Coach Roger
Dun sa ano? Check.
sa touch net or
Okay.
sa check.
Sige, sige.
Yan ang medyo crucial naman. Oh, I remember this one.
This is my first counter challenge this year. So,
Yeah, same.
di ba?
Oh, block touch.
Sa block touch. Tingnan nila kung may check.
Ako mas... Well,
Pero ang tawag ng ref ay inside, ano? Was there a touch?
eto na. Yun na nga,
Meron.
gumalaw nga ang daliri niya.
There was a touch.
Wow!
So San Sebastian nonetheless, they get the point. Challenge successful para kay Coach Roger Gurayev. And Baste takes set number 1, 27-25.